Assalamualaikum and good morning boys. Today is 14 December 2020. Monday is the day. Open your countdown book. This is our maths lecture. I am your maths teacher Ms. Dureshewar. Open your chapter number 8, Information Handling. Page number 184. On page number 184 is our chapter Information Handling. It is about handling some information that are in form of pics. Okay. In previous class 3, we have learned that informations can be represented through pictures. So when we represent informations in form of pictures, it is called graph. Here you can see this is a graph of favorite fruits of student. These are the fruits: mango, pomegranate, strawberry, and this is the number of students. Okay. Here you can see all the mangoes and strawberries fruits are drawn. Okay, these are the pics of fruits. So when we represent information in form of pics, it is called graph. Boys, here you can see they have told us in key one mango means 2 students. One pomegranate means 2 students. One strawberry means 2 students. So how many students like mango as their favorite fruit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 twos are 10. Okay, let me write over here. 10 students. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 twos are 8 students like it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It means 7 twos are 14 students like strawberry as their favorite fruit. And these are the maximum students who like strawberry. That was our introduction, boys. Now we have to do our copy work. Open your notebook. Write CW Monday 14 December 2020. Our topic is information handling. Page number 184. Our subtopic is definition. And our first definition is graph. It is the pictorial representation of data. When we represent data in form of pics, it is called graph. There are two types that we will learn in this chapter. Number 1 is bar graph. Number 2 is line graph. By the name you can see this graph will have bars, vertical or horizontal. And by the name you can see this graph will have line. Okay. So let us know what is the definition of bar graph. It is used to show data in bars of different height. Means the height of bars will change. That will tell us how many people like this or like that. Okay, here you can see this is the bar chart of favorite colors of kids in class 4. And you can see this bar is small, this is big, this is bigger, and this is the smallest. On the horizontal line you can see I have written colors blue, green, red, pink. On the vertical line you can see I have written kids 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's see how many kids of class 4, like blue color? 3 kids. Let me write it over here. 3 kids. How many kids like green color? Let's see. These are 5 kids. So that we know 5 kids like in red color. 6 kids. As you can see, this height is the same as here. And for pink, we can see there are 2 students who like pink color. So this is the bar chart of favorite color of kids in class 4 and it is a vertical. Okay, vertical one. Next our definition is boys line graph. It is used to show change gradually. It will show change gradually in form of a line. Gradually change, let me give you an example. Cost of wheat, cost of rice, cost of petrol as it changes with respect to time. Okay. So you can see I have drawn a line graph of cost of pizza. Here you can see this is the cost of pizza in line graph. And here you can also see boys number of pizzas 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cost in rupees 150, 300, 450, 600 and 750. You can see boys. So we can say when we want to have 2 pizzas, we have to give 300 rupees. Okay. After writing the definition, boys, open page number 185. Here is the graph of favorite colors of children in class 4. It is an example. We will solve it. In a survey, children of class 4 were asked about their favorite color. The information was then represented in a vertical bar graph. This is a vertical bar graph. You can see 4 students like blue color. You can see 5 students like yellow color, 7 students like green color, 3 students like pink color, 6 students like red color, and orange color is liked by 2 students. So let's solve the questions. Answer these. How many children like red color? We have written, and you can also see by placing a scale over this and then check. Here you can see I have placed a scale and you can check. These are 6 students. Okay, these are 6 students. So I will write 6 because they have given the information in form of children. So I will write 6 children. Let me write 6 children. Now for the second question, they are saying which color is least liked. You can see this is orange. So let us write O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. How many children like green colors? Let's see. These are 7 children. Let us write 7, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children. Always use sharp pencil. Okay. Which color is the most liked? Okay, let's see whose bar is the biggest. Green one. So we will write the most liked color is green. Okay, how many children are there in total? So what we have to do, we have written the number of children on this. So we have to add this. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. 23 plus 4 is 27. So we will write over here 27 children. After doing page number 185, we will turn our page 187. We will turn our page 186, and on 186 we can see there is a line graph of cost of pizza. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we want 1 pizza, we have to give 150 rupees. When we want 2 pizzas, we have to give 300 rupees. For 3 pizzas, 450 rupees, and for 4 pizzas, there should be the bill of 600, and for 5 pizzas, there should be the bill of 750. So what they are asking, what is the cost of 3 pizzas? Okay, let's see. It is 450 rupees. We will write RS 450. Okay. Next they are saying how many pizzas can be bought of rupees 600. Okay, let's see. In 600 we can buy 4 pizzas. And they are saying how many money will be spent to buy 10 pizzas. Here are only 5. Okay, one cost 150. So we have to multiply it with 10. And you know, when we multiply any number with 10, the 0 will get added. So 150 will become rupees 1,500. So boys, we have done question of example of page number 185 and 186. On book, you will do these 2 examples on notebook. Okay. And you also have to draw these 2 graphs as well. Boys, if you have any difficulty in today's lecture, you can ask your question in the comment section below. Thank you.